Chelsea chop is so called because it is best done around the time of Chelsea flower show at the end of May or beginning of June. And its purpose is to extend the flowering display of late flowering perennials like phlox, helenium or rudbeckia. Reduce the plant by about a third. This will encourage side shoots that will flower a little later but last a lot longer. Although garlic and elephant garlic won't be ready to harvest for another few weeks, many plants like mine will be trying to develop flower heads or scapes, and these will divert energy away from the bulbs. So break these scapes off and they just snap easily, and that will buy you another few weeks to maximize your bulb harvest. And by the way, don't throw these scapes away because they're very good to eat. Pot marigolds are the perfect plant to give your borders a late season boost. Sow them now either direct where they're to grow or into plugs. Cover them, water them well, and they will germinate quickly and become big enough to plant out in about 4 weeks' time. And then they will flower gloriously from mid-August right through to autumn.